With Fergus, you've got even more control over your quotes and estimates thanks to our customization features. These ensure your quotes always look professional while cutting down your admin time, especially with the ability to save them as templates. In this video, we'll check out the new customization options, walk through creating templates, and see how to apply them to your documents. The Quote and Estimate Builder makes it super easy to tweak your documents so they look just right. Here's what you can do. Change the font size, color, and styling, add clickable links, like links to your website, and drop in images, like extra logos in the footer. These tweaks help make your quotes look polished and on brand without any extra hassle. Instead of making the same changes over and over, save time by creating templates. Here's how. Go to Settings, and Quote Estimate Templates. You'll see any existing templates listed here. Click New Template in the top right corner and give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. Customize the look of the document within the Styling tab. Adjust the main color, which appears as the colored bars at the top and bottom. Choose the accent color for the background of your company details section. And you can also change the text color, font size, and document orientation to suit your needs. Edit the content in your document with the Content tab. Simply update the document title, section formatting, description, and footer. And the best part? There's a preview on the right that updates in real time, so you can see exactly how your template's going to look. Once your templates are set up, managing them is easy. On the Templates page, click the 3 dots next to any template to duplicate it, set it as the default, so every new document uses it automatically, and archive or unarchive templates as needed. Now that your template is saved, let's put it to work. First, open a draft quote or estimate. Click the template icon in the top toolbar. A drop-down will appear. Scroll through or type to find your template. Select your template and hit Apply Template. And a quick note, applying a new template will override the current template's settings, including the description and footer. But don't worry, it won't change any sections or line items you've already added. Just click Yes, Apply to proceed. And that's it, you now know how to customize your quotes and estimates and use the templates feature. It's all about making your workflow smoother and your documents look top-notch.